Hi everyone, welcome back to Thrive with Sushmita. Today we are going to fix 10 common prepositional errors that most of the people make. And let me tell you, even the fluent speakers. These are very small, but it actually affects your grammar and clarity. So stay with me till the end and let's make your English smarter and sharper. The first one is discuss about. All of us, or maybe most of us, use about with discuss. Let me tell you, discuss doesn't need a preposition because the meaning of discuss is actually about something. So instead of saying let's discuss about the plan, we have to just say let's discuss the plan. Second one is enter into. See, it's used like a wrong context. He entered into the room. Here, enter room itself signifies or tells that the person came into the room. So you cannot or you should not use into with enter when you're talking about a context when somebody is coming into the room. Okay, he entered the room. Simple. Use entered into or enter into when you talk about an agreement. Okay, like they entered into a contract or they entered into an agreement. So only in such cases we use into with enter, otherwise it's plain entered. Next one is married with. He is married with a doctor. No, he is married to a doctor. We have to always use to with the word married. So next time don't say she's married with a doctor. Remember, she's married to a doctor. She is married to an engineer, but not with. The next one is good in. When you are talking about a specific skill or maybe specific subject, remember we will use at with good and not in. He is good at English. He is good at English, not he is good in English. So when you talk about a specific skill or specific subject, use good at and not good in. The next error that people make is listen. Remember, to always comes with listen. Listen to me. Please listen to me and not listen me. Okay, it's not listen me. We have to say listen to me carefully. Remember, listen always takes to after it and not any other preposition. You just cannot say listen me. You have to always say listen to. The next one is order, especially when we are placing an order for food, right? So we cannot say I ordered for a pizza. You can normally and just say I ordered a pizza. Okay, no need for after order in the context when we talk about food. So next time when you order some yummy pizza for lunch, just say I've ordered a pizza and not I have ordered for a pizza. The next common grammar prepositional error that people make is, you must have heard people saying concentrate in your studies. No, my dear, it is not in. Whenever you are using concentrate with the context of studies, always say concentrate on your studies. Always say concentrate on and not concentrate in. The next one is afraid. Afraid. Always use of with afraid and not from. He's afraid from dogs. No, he's afraid of dogs. Always use afraid of and never use afraid from. The next common error is different than. People use different than. Like this is different than that. So correct usage that will be this is different from that. In formal English, different from is the correct usage and not different than. The next one is die from and die of. See, when someone dies because of some illness or some serious health conditions, in that case we use die of and not die from. So if I use it in a sentence, he died of cancer and not he died from cancer. So use die of when referring to a disease or a condition. These were some very, very common prepositional errors that we discussed today, and we helped you fix it. Let me know in the comment box which of these mistakes do you make, because all of us make such mistakes sometime or other. And if you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling, keep thriving with Sushmita, and remember, learn, grow, and shine. Thank you so much.